Today we'll see how to sniff the data within the network. So let's start the practical. Just open the Kali Linux and use the terminal. I'm using the Kali Linux here 2019.2. Oh, it's working very fine. So let's start the practical. I am typing the commands called echo greater than proc sys net IPv4 IP underscore. We'll do the IP forwarding method, and next we'll pre-route the port using the SSL strip. Let's see what is the command. IP tables -t nat -p or protocol TCP and -a pre-routing -d port number 80 I am targeting. Whatever the port number 80 it is going, I need to be sniff redirect. Whatever the command I am typing, exactly you need to type the same command, and port number I have given 10,000. Now I need to start the SSL strip -a all. So now I started my sniffing method. So next I need to do some tricky method here. I need to do some ARP spoofing command I need to type. So for that, what I will do, I will take the new command, new terminal. Here I will do some big. Here I will type ARP spoofing -t is nothing but the target. Target is what is my target IP is. I want to check my Windows IP. IP config. My Windows IP is 192.168.1.3. This is my Windows IP, and my gateway IP is 192.168.1.1. So that is my Windows IP. And if I want to check what is my Kali Linux IP, so my Kali Linux IP is 192.168.1.8. So okay, now I need to do the ARP spoofing. ARP spoofing -t. My target is 192.168.1.3. So the system Windows is my target. Whatever the traffic it is going through that system, it should comes to my system, then it goes to the router. So every packet I need to be sniffed there, right? So now I am doing the ARP spoofing -t 192.168.1.3, and next the target. Now I need to type the router IP, the gateway IP. It means the router gateway IP. It means 192.168.1.1. This is my router IP. I hit enter. Now the target IP and the router IP. Now again I need to open the new window. It means the new terminal. So here what I will do, I will increase the font, and now the same thing I need to do here, but vice versa. It means ARP spoofing. Here I need to type target. Target IP should be 192.168.1.1. Sniffing attacks. In the sniffing, you need to go to the Wireshark. If you click the Wireshark, you are able to see the Wireshark tool is open. Now we need to type, or we need to click on this Ethernet 0 or any. You can use anything, but I am going with this. So whatever the packets is going from that system, whatever the target system I have targeted, these are the packets which is going from that system. So see 192.168.1.3. That is our IP address. That is our target IP address, and that is my Windows IP address. So I am targeting on my Windows IP address using the Kali Linux operating system. So just I will go to that system. I will type Chrome. Open the Chrome. So you type in URL, or we'll use some Google Docs. In URL index.admin login.php, anything. If I open this one and open this one, for the sample purpose I am not going to do any attack, but I will show you the data how. Now here I will type admin and the password should be the admin12345. Hit enter. So no, it is not the perfect password, it is the wrong password. Okay, just I am trying to show you. I will type here admin and admin. This is a secured one, so I think the data which is going through this website we are not able to log in. So here the something it is there. So admin 12345. Hit enter. So failed. We'll go to the Kali Linux and let's see what's the data we have sniffed. For that, just we type http.request.method equal to post. Why post? The every command, every data which goes through the which use the post method for the every data. For the application forms we use the post method. So when we type the post method, when we use the post method, we have found these 2 or 3 login forms. So these two, this is one website, this is another website. You will see the IP address. Just go to this. What I will do, I will right click and go to the follow and click on the TCP stream. See, now we are able to see something here. Oh my god, we have got the username here. See, username and password. Password is admin12345. This is the method where the hackers use. The man in the middle attack will be worked on the system. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching my videos and supporting me. Please be support and please be share.